Hey guys, I'm back with module 2.1 of the Learn Prompt Engineering series. Today we are delving into strategy number 2 with two tactics for achieving better results from language models. In our previous video, I discussed strategy number 1, write clear instructions, which comes with 6 tactics for application in your prompts. Now let's shift our focus to strategy number 2. So the next strategy is provide reference text. Imagine you have a really smart friend who sometimes make up information. To make sure their answers are more accurate, you decide to give them some notes or a book to use as a reference when answering questions. This way they can look up information and provide more reliable answer. Now, in the context of language models, which are like really smart computer programs, they might also sometimes mix up informations. To make them more reliable, you can use a strategy called reference text. You will apply these strategies using two tactics. First, instruct the model to answer using a reference text. This means telling the computer to look at specific source of information, like book or article, before answering. It's like telling your smart friend, hey, before you answer, check the notes I gave you. For example, if you ask the model what is the capital of France and provide a reference text about geography, the model will consult that text is give you a more accurate answer. Example prompt. Tell me about the life cycle of butterfly. Use the information is attached. Research up to your last update to make sure your response accurate. Second, instruct the model to answer with citation from a reference text. This is like asking your friend not only to use the notes but also a mention where they found the information. It adds a level of transparency and allows you to verify the information. For example, if you ask the model, tell me about climate change, and instruct it to provide citations, it will not only give you information, but also say something like, according to report on climate change from 2020, and so on. Example prompt. Explain the benefit of regular exercise and include citations from the any research up to your last update to support your explanation. Well, what is citation? Citation refers to acknowledgement of source of information used in particular piece of work, such as academic papers, article, or response. When you provide a citation, you are essentially giving credit to original author or source of information you are using to support your statements. Make sure to understand the concept first before you think about taking notes for this video series. But guess what? You might not even need your notebook because I have got something special waiting for you at the end of the video. When you use this prompt with a language model like GPT-3, you may not actually attach a reference text. Instead, you would simulate the presence of a reference text by including relevant information within the prompt or context. The model does not have the ability to access external document, so you have to provide any necessary information directly into the input prompt. As we wrap up another insightful session on prompt engineering, here is a reminder. Why stress over taking notes when we have got you covered? Dive into a blog post website for free access to concise and insightful notes. We understand the importance of convenience, and our blog post ensure that you can support your learning effortlessly. Your journey to master prompt engineering doesn't end here. Subscribe, like, and ring the notification bell for the next video in our series. And remember, learning should be seamless, just like our notes on blog. Stay tuned for the more knowledge. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.